This video is brought to you by Backwoods Taxidermy. Check them out on Facebook at Backwoods Taxidermy for more information.
Gobble. Spency, what did you just do?
Shot a turkey.
Good job.
Spread that fan, buddy.
What kind of turkey is that?
Tom.
Good job, buddy.
Very good.
Very good shot, 21 yards for Spencer.
Still shaking.
And
So shaking.
yeah, I mean, it's a young, here's the, oh, where's the beard? Okay, where'd the beard go?
I see it.
Oh, here's the beard.
It's flimsy.
Here's the beard.
Oh, I think you just snapped
Nice
it.
beard for his first turkey. The spurs. Hey, you know what this, oh, there's the spurs.